5 healthy dinner recipes for weight loss. 5 healthy dinner recipes for weight loss, focusing on high protein, low calorie, and nutrient-rich ingredients. Grilled lemon herb chicken with quinoa salad ingredients. 1 boneless chicken breast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon oregano, salt, pepper, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 2 cup chopped cucumber, 2 cup cherry tomatoes, 1 tubs feta cheese, optional. Instructions: marinate chicken in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs for 20 min. Grill chicken for 6-7 min each side. Mix quinoa with cucumber, tomatoes, and feta. Serve sliced chicken over quinoa salad. Calories: 400 kcal. Veggie Stir-Fry with tofu ingredients: 1 cup chopped broccoli, 2 cup bell peppers, 2 cup snap peas, 100 tofu, cubed 1 towel slow, sodium soy sauce, 1 taupe sesame oil, 1 garlic clove. Minced instructions: sauté tofu until golden. Add garlic, vegetables, and soy sauce. Cook for 5-7 min until tender crisp. Top with sesame oil and serve. Calories: 350 calories. Baked salmon with asparagus ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, 100-150, 1 tsp olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon slices, 1 cup asparagus. Optional: sprinkle of garlic powder or dill. Instructions: preheat oven to 400°F, 200°C. Place salmon and asparagus on a baking tray, drizzle with oil and seasoning. Bake for 15-20 minutes. Serve hot with lemon wedges. Calories: 450 calories. Zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs ingredients: 1 medium zucchini, spiralized, 100 lean ground turkey, 1 Tulls breadcrumbs, optional, 1 egg white, salt, pepper, garlic powder, 2 cup tomato basil sauce. Instructions: mix turkey with egg white, spices, and form into small meatballs. Bake or pan fry meatballs. Lightly sauté zucchini noodles. Toss with warm tomato sauce and add meatballs. Calories: 400 calories. Chickpea. Spinach curry ingredients: 2 can chickpeas, 1 cup spinach, 4 cup diced tomatoes, 1 cup olive oil, 2 onion, chopped, 1 garlic clove, minced, 2 teaspoons turmeric, cumin, and curry powder. Instructions: sauté onion and garlic in oil. Add spices and tomatoes. Cook for 5 min. Stir in chickpeas and spinach. Simmer for 10 min and serve. Calories: 350 kcal.